Good morning. It's Saturday with our big promotions on the home page right here says buy now, pay later. It is loaded with opportunities. The biggest one is you pay no capital gains tax. That pays for your big investment trade. Buy now, pay later. It's got all the program rules. Make an appointment by email. There's an email. You can also call at 503-753-0062. And you can also text that number right away. You are loaded. Our job is to take care of you like they're not taking care of the hurricane victims. But let us be known for given opportunity. That opportunity, no one else is given this opportunity. Click on the page, read the content, back to the home page, buy now, pay later. You can also go up under the services tab, our services, buy now, pay later trades. It's your opportunity to shine. You don't have to pay that capital gains tax. You don't have to have credit. You don't have to have a stock brokerage account. There are so many big opportunities that are hidden in here that you don't know about. You will know about. It is loaded with a basket of opportunities to take you higher, to make your power investing in this program work for you. It's a Saturday morning. It's time for you to start it out right. Don't let it pass you by. It's your opportunity. Take advantage of the opportunity. It's here. All you have to do is read the rules and the features and make an appointment.